Today, I met the most stubborn cat ever. She didn't care about food or the RC car. I was ready to give up, but then someone unexpected showed up, a masked cat who came to help me earn her trust. Was that a cat on a bench? Yep, confirmed. Cat on a throne. A chubby little beauty, sitting there like she owned the whole park.
Wait! Are you just gonna leave me here?
Huh? What's that thing rolling around like it owns the place?
He's gonna attack! Oh no! Do I run? Do I hide? Play dead? It's coming for me! Behind the bench, now! Okay, that was unexpected. I swear, if you jump again, I am out. All right, I'm gonna sit right here. Okay, I am out! Don't even think about moving, weird little car. That's it. I don't trust you anymore. And your food? Looks dangerous. Keep it.
I've been watching this strange machine for a while.
Ow! Ow!
Didn't seem dangerous. Maybe if I try first, she'll finally trust it.
Wait! Don't go near that thing. You don't know what's inside that bowl. It could be poison.
Easy there, lady. I've got this. If it's dangerous, I'll take the first hit. Interesting texture. Tastes fine to me.
He's been watching all along. He saw everything. He's not here for the food. He's here because he knows she's scared. And he wants to prove the food is safe. Amazing.
you've seen it yourself. The food is safe, and it's time to trust.
Let's get a better view.
See? I'm still alive. I told you it was safe.
I knew I smelled something fishy. Yep, that's the scent. I'm sure of it. Hey, you there, human. Give me the snacks.
Snacks? What snacks? I don't have anything.
Don't pretend you don't have it. I saw you.
Look at my hands. Empty.
Wait, you're empty-handed? No way, that can't be right. Where did you hide it? I know it's you.
Totally innocent.
Excuse me, sir. That guy back there, he's hiding food. He's pretending he doesn't have any, but I know he does. Tell him to share, please. Sir, where are you going?
Well, that's embarrassing.
Told you, this one's useless.
You've already smelled it. You know it's good. Go on. Eat the food in the car. It's yummy.
Still trying? Still with that silly little bowl? But no thanks. Pick another kitty. I'm not interested.
I've tried for so long, but she's still not interested. This park has special feeding stations for animals. So now, I'll place the food in a hidden spot because I'm not allowed to leave food just anywhere here. Maybe this is the only way she'll trust me.
What is that? Real food? For me? Okay, I'm coming.
See? The way to a cat's heart is always through her stomach.
Ugh, why'd you hide it so deep under there? You think I've got octopus arms or something? Next time, maybe don't stash it like it's top secret treasure, okay? That smell again? Still the same food, right?
Hello. Eat out. Oh my god. Kamu lucu banget, ini juga salah. Ya mana ya?
This is actually pretty good. Crunchy, fresh, not poisoned. I'm impressed. Tell that remote guy I said thanks. But don't think I'm falling in love or anything, okay?
Please, save a little for me. I'm getting kinda hungry over here.
What? Oh, sorry. I can't hear you over this delicious crunch.
Wait, you finished everything?
Yep, not even a crumb left.
What is this place?
This is a secret base. He's been hiding here all along. Quick, let's ambush him. Make him feed us.
Let's do this. No mercy until we get kibble.
Hey, don't push. I was here first.
Wait, where's my food? Is this a joke? Hello? You gotta be kidding me. Don't tell me I got played. I helped you, remember? Can I at least get a reward? Hey, don't run away. After everything I did, I deserve better.
Well, that should settle it. Everyone's happy now, right? If you enjoyed this, make sure to hit that like button
Don't
down
like it,
below.
he didn't even feed me. I risked my life and got 0 kibble. Justice for masked cats.